But when we are developing these kind of solutions in OR, what is the limitation? Whether OR can be extensively used for every kind of problem in real life situation? Maybe not. Not everywhere in OR can be used. There are certain limitations, or there are certain kinds of shortcomings that are associated with operations research. The reason is operations research helps the managers to solve the problems which can be expressed only in quantitative terms, not the subject to things or qualitative issues. So unless we are able to express the variables or parameters of a particular problem in terms of numbers, then only the problems can be solved with operations research. Then the other thing is the managers generally are engaged with a lot of work and a lot of issues they may have to be facing. In that event, the model which was developed earlier might not be suitable for a present situation or present kind of problem. Then it may have to be revised. Then even after revising, that may not be delivering, or that might not be delivering the kind of results that are expected out of that model. Again it has to be revised. Again it has to be revised. That means number of times revision will consume lot of time. So time is money in the context of an organization, especially for a manager. Time is the most premium resource or most crucial resource, so that he may not be able to spare a lot of time in developing the models. And at the same time, since the managers are not able to spare the kind of time that is required for developing or revising the models, then the organizations may have to engage subject experts or the professionals who can engage or who can use operations research usefully for the purpose of organization or for making the right kind of decisions for solving the problems. So for this reason, we can say these are the various kinds of limitations that are associated with operations research. But whatever the kind of limitations are there, what we can say is operations research is excellently applied, or it is a solution which can give excellent solutions to the problems which are faced by managers, especially at operations level where they are facing structured kind of problems. So it makes their decision making much easier. Maybe we have different kinds of problems, different kinds of situations are there, like queuing problems are there, assignment problems are there, similarly transportation problems are there, linear programming problems are there, networking problems are there. We have several different kinds of problems, like simulation problem is there, different problems are there, but they can usefully engage operations research, which can maximize the organization revenues or which can minimize the cost and which can provide optimum solutions for an organization.